Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2020, the animated TV series The Rocketeer ended on Disney Junior. Geared for preschool-age children, this show was set in the same world as the 1991 film The Rocketeer. It starred Kit, the great-granddaughter of the original Rocketeer. On her 7th birthday, Kit receives the jetpack and learns that she is next in line to become the legendary superhero. The show only aired for, one season, making it the shortest-running Disney Junior original. But it came out 5 years ago. Did you see it? Did you love it? I didn't see it. Anyway, have a magical day.